there are some snacks that I crave for in Ghana. And in this video, I am going to eat those snacks.
Hi, my name is Rakela, and as he said, I'm his co-host.
How much is this one?
This one is 5 chips.
Let me try.
So sour.
Whenever I travel outside Ghana, I can't help but crave the street snacks we grew up with. You know, the ones we never really appreciated then. So in this video, I'm treating myself to some of my favorite Ghanaian snacks. Come along with me. Oh, not too bad. My name is Mickey. Keep watching.
I know what you can get.
What do you think I can get?
You can get barbecue, like chicken.
Do you know what she calls barbecue? We call it chinchinga, kebab. But she calls it barbecue. And
Yes.
what else?
You can get barbecue, like fried plantain.
Fried plantain is too heavy for me. Maybe kelewele.
Yes, right.
Yeah,
like,
kelewele. Maybe roasted plantain. I'm looking
Yes.
forward to roasted plantain.
Yes, and roasted corn, shawarma.
Yeah, I don't know if we can get roasted corn because
What's this corn?
it's not
like,
in season, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like far away.
Yeah.
But you can.
Plantain chips. I'm looking forward to plantain chips as well.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
Dre like, especially Dre likes plantain chips.
Yeah.
If you don't buy him plantain chips,
Yeah.
where he will cry, no.
We start with plantain chips.
Which is just.
Which is this?
Yes.
So we have one of them that is ripe, and one of them is
one
the green one.
of them is the plain one, which is the yellow one. Oh, sure. Which is the body, and this one is the cocoa.
The cocoa. Which one do you like?
I like the cocoa because of the sugar.
Of the sugar content. I'm the same. I like cocoa because of the sugar.
And
But
but the yellow one, I don't actually like it because of so plain and there's salt in it.
there's salt in it. But do you think some people put sugar? They put sugar.
No, they don't. It's by their
It's a
own-
natural.
the natural taste.
All right, let's taste it.
Okay. Taste test in 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so they still add a little bit of salt into this one.
They add small salt.
How much is this one?
This one is 5 cities.
This one is 5 cedis.
The small one is maybe like 3 cities.
3 cedis. Oh, okay. I didn't introduce my co-host. Can you introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Rakela, and as he said, I'm his co-host.
Yeah.
So
Makela is my daughter, if you've never seen her on the channel. Traffic in town is crazy. So we ended up in Alaba and we're coming to buy kebab, what we call chinchinga. Apparently it is what is so special about this one? Apparently it's the best chinchinga joint in Kumasi. So yeah, let's see. So they've been here for like over 40 years. Chinchinga on industrial scale. You can see like a lot of, big people come here to buy meat. And they've got goats, they've got guinea fowl, they've got chicken, they've got basically everything. Not snake. I could say yes, 20, so 20 cities, 20 Ghana cities for one. Okay.
I'm just
Do you want to try? It's very nice. Seriously. They've got this, I don't know. I said this one has got moisture on it. It's very much. What do you think?
That's the traditional taste.
And it's got lots of flavor as well.
Right.
So we call it chinchinga in Ghana. What do they call it? Is it alasa or adasa? My pastor friend is alasa. It didn't free here. I didn't free here. Because me can't say adasa.
Oh, lasa.
Lasa. Oh, lasa.
And then
I said to say. I said to say. Do you understand? Lasa, I said to say. Now you're not sure. Okay.
It's like guinea.
All right. So
this is a sour fruit.
so it's a sour fruit.
And then when you chew for some
And when you chew it for a long time, it turns into chewing gum. So one go for 2 cedis. 2 cedis. All right. You are going to try it and see.
But some are really nice. Others too are very sour.
Tasted something before, it was so sour that I couldn't even handle the taste.
Yeah, I find it difficult to handle it myself. Bite into it, let me see. Let me try.
So sour.
Oh, not too bad. It's one of those things you want to eat it, but you don't want to eat it. I've never eaten a full. So this is lasa. And alasa. Some people call it lasa. Oh, okay. And we used to turn the seed into whistle. That's the seed.
It's so sour, right?
That's the seed. We used to turn it into a whistle. This one is my favorite. I've been craving for this one like long time ago. Like I've not had this in a long time. And we were driving along and then I spotted it, so I decided to come and get some.
And they bring coconut with it.
Yeah, coconut.
Yes,
So
they
yeah, it
bring
comes with
some.
coconut. We have ripe plantain as well. And it goes with peanut. Let me cast a bro a season and now.
But we know within 1 week time, maybe.
Okay. So apparently it's only got a week. So a week and there will be no roasted corn. So I caught it at the right
Oh
time.
no. How sad.
So yeah, the roasted corn. And
Okay.
it goes with hard coconut.
Yeah.
So some people call it mouth organ when I was growing up. Mouth
Hey,
organ.
mouth organ.
Because you did it like that.
Ah, yeah. So taste test in 3, 2, 1.
And coconut.
Coconut plus coconut.
And the coconut gives it the milky taste, isn't it?
Yeah. I can give us the sweet. The best part of the
You know I have a story. So when I was a kid, we would take it like this, right? And then we put it in our pocket. So I'll take it from the cup. Yeah, I take it from the cup. And then I'll put it in my pocket. So when I'm sat in class, I'll be chewing it.
Daddy, they use their big strong kids. Of course. They use their big strong kids. You be like,
They wouldn't allow you to eat in class.
yes, even during the subject. But when you're having free time, that's when you can eat it.
So yeah, ripe plantain or roasted plantain.
To eat the roasted plantain with the peanuts, and African people call it granite. Some people call it inkatie.
Katia, okay. So try it. You have to dip it in it. No, yeah. All right, it's my pen.
It's so nice. Better than with only the fresh plantain.
It's so on the go. Whenever you are in a hurry, this is something that you can eat, and it's very nourishing.
Yes, it can like fill all your stomach and you like have full energy. Hey guys, so we at home and that adventure was so crazy. Like how now I first until I want to break the record of the longest singing and going to visit where my parents grew up. Yep. And all the African snacks, street food. Okay, and we are back home. We came home. Tell the world we came home. Bye.